Okay, y'all, so I was driving and I saw this bird and I thought, what a cool bird. I gotta get a picture of that. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Oh, yeah. And so I pulled over and I'm like, as I'm pulling over, I'm like, oh, I gotta get a picture of that bird. Which he was really neat looking. But as I'm approaching the bird, right, which I didn't notice these ducks, but they're all resting right here. More importantly, this thing is full of turtles, man. There's turtles everywhere. Look at all these turtles. Look at them. They're all in the water. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I gotta zoom it out some. Look at all these turtles. Can you believe this? The thing. Oh my, that's a big one. Look at this big one. Wow. Guys, I know where to bring some food to feed the turtles.